Yes, students, the rumors which you have heard about the NEET PG postponement are absolutely true. The exam is on 23rd and NBE has announced this very early on 22nd of June, a few hours before the exam. Very, very great, very great, very great. NBE simply says inconvenience caused is regretted. It does not care about the financial issues, the mental stress which students are going through. Probably NEET UG scam which was unearthed in few days. It was the reason for this postponement. Whatever it is, they should have told this few days before the exam, not few hours before the exam. Very unfortunate. What the students might be going through is really unbelievable, unbearable. But be positive, students. Think that this happened for a good reason. Maybe there was some paper leakage already in the PG exam also. So hope for the best in these worst times and sleep peacefully now. What we can do, wait for the next announcement from the NBA website about the date of the actual NEET PG exam, which is going to be held in the 2024. I hope it is going to be released as early as possible.